Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, guys. So it's one of this kind of morning. -20, I think. I'm about to show you guys something, guys. Many of you guys who are from a tropical country is not gonna know anything about this. See that, guys? You have to plug in your car in this temperature to keep the block heated, so that your oil and your transmission fluid and all of them things don't freeze up on you. So you have to plug in your car. So this is a new phenomenon to a lot of persons, especially persons in Jamaica that have no clue that this was something that you have to do, that is needed. Not a want, but a need, guys. So this is a extension, but it's a specific kind of extension that's called that's specifically made for outside and for this temperature. You don't want to get the regular extension, because that might cause your extension to freeze up. You understand? So you want the specific one here. Just extra black heater extension and you're good to go. You plug in a car, as long as the car now run, you plug it in. You understand? The next thing you want to make sure you do, guys, is your tires. So you have winter tires, you have winter tire, all season tire, and summer tires, right? So currently I'm rocking these all seasons, right? I got these like a few months ago, so this can bring me through this winter okay. And the all season tire, you mean you can drive both in winter and in summer. But the thing is, all season tire is not as durable as having like a winter tire per se, right? And you still have to be a little bit careful as to how you drive, because you don't want to slide all over the place, right? So yeah, so if it is that you can't afford winter tire or snow tire, some people know it as, you can get these all season tires, which is just as good, right? The other thing that you want to make sure, this are like, you have to do this every single morning in winter, right? You have to make sure, say, your car is not covered in snow. Now, I came out like 20 minutes ago, got off the ice off my windscreen, and brushed off like my mirror and them stuff there, right? But if I show you guys like that car that's parked right there, that car, the windscreen is fully snowed. The back of mine is still fully snowed. So you want to make sure that you have a snow brush, right? You want to make sure, guys, that you have a snow brush that you use to get off the snow. And you want to make sure you also have a, what you call a snow shovel, but it's for your car. That for the ice that is caked on, you can definitely get it off. Hold on, guys, let me just grab a brush. Yeah, guys, so I'm currently brush off the car and all of that, right? I'm about to bring back the U-Haul because I got it for 24 hours. So now I'm just gonna go and drop it off, and then as soon as we drop it off, we go up on the road, go do a little shopping, because we haven't been able to get much done this weekend, because, you know, we moved this weekend. So yeah, things was a little bit, not a little bit, things was very hectic yesterday, and because of that we'll never really get to do any shopping and anything like that. Plus not so, and get some stuff for the house, some decoration stuff and something, you understand? So we're definitely gonna go up on the road and yeah, bring you guys with me. So as you guys might see that it's very cold. My lips are freezing up. That's not white squirrel, I promise you. My lips are freezing up, my ears is freezing up. But you know what, being in Canada for 2 years, -20 feels like +5 to us. Like, I'd say to us, because I've definitely gotten used to this temperature, and you guys will too. So no matter worry about the cold, it's very cold still. Okay, you want to make sure you have on your coat and your gloves and proper shoes. Proper shoes is very important, guys. I definitely have other winter shoes, like the big ugly ones, them where you normally see people wear, but because I'm gonna jump in out of that truck right and I'm bring it back, I don't want to really put on nothing too heavy. So that's why I'm kind of wear the one kind of trendy a little bit. Alright, guys, so of course today is Vlogmas day number 5. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today is Sunday. Smash a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and definitely big up all the persons who are coming back to the channel for another time, understand? So yeah, forward, guys. Currently jumping in this truck. About to bring back this U-Haul. Pay my bill, because you get the truck before you pay your bill. Yeah. Woo. You get the truck before you pay your bill. Hold on, I'm turning on that heater here. Yeah. You get the truck, them take a credit card information, but them not actually charge you. When they bring back the truck is when them actually charge you, in case there's any damage and stuff like that. But to be honest, guys, you already paid $20 for damage insurance. So if there's any damage, you're not gonna come at any cost to you. So that is pretty awesome, I think. I don't know what you guys think. I think that's awesome. Also, let me just show you guys in this U-Haul what it looks like a little bit, alright? So, I was very concerned that I might not be able to drive it because I wasn't sure if it was automatic or standard. And yes, guys, I'm a millennial driver or a baby boomer driver. I don't know which one of the categories am I falling now, because I'm definitely getting older. But me can't drive standard. I'm not grown up kind of guys. I cannot drive standard. I can move the car, but I'm not a professional manual driver. I'm an automatic driver. I learned to drive on an automatic car a donkey years ago. And ever since it's always been automatic car. So at first I was concerned that this truck was gonna be standard, but luckily all U-Hauls are automatic. The gear shift is right here. You bring it down and you see the gear things on your dash right there. You have the mileage, which is very important. You want to make sure that you take a picture of the mileage before and after so them not overcharge you, because they actually charge 90 cents per kilometer. So you want to make sure that you're not being overcharged, right? You want to check your gas. That is pretty much at the same place that they gave it to you, because otherwise you have to go top it up a little bit. Luckily, we're removed from to we're removed to. It wasn't that far, so yeah, they're not getting no gas there, lucky. You have stuff like your heat, very important. Your wiper blade, very important. And you know, you have 2 additional seats beside you in case you have passengers. Some persons rent you all to move right around the country, so you know, it's kind of nice and cozy when you have like a couple persons pairing with. You understand? That is the view outside, guys. This is our new neighborhood. This is our new community. I haven't met any neighbors yet. All of them do I brought their neck and look, but I'm sure we'll meet them soon enough. Currently we have to go and get some ice, not ice, some salt for the ice, and also a shovel, because you have to shovel your driveway and the sidewalk in front of your house. Otherwise you can be ticketed by the city if it is that the sidewalk that's inside your house is not shoveled. So because we are moving from an apartment, we never really have any shovel or anything like that. So we're gonna go on the road and we're gonna get some salt and a shovel to shovel some snow and thing like that throughout the day. You understand, guys? So definitely big up on yourself and just stay tuned. Vlogmas day number 5. Big up on yourself. Just remembered. Hey, I'm telling you, joys of living in northern Alberta.
quite a bit on fuel, right?
Yeah, guys, so while my daughter freeze, wonder what that's up to. We can check what up to. Let's check out what she's up to.
Good morning. Yep. I'm just rising. Say good morning, Malika. Yep. Rough. Anybody who move no say oh, it's a rough process. Say hi, Maria. Hi. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Yeah, mama. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. We are here on a road going to Home Depot. We're going to look shovel and salt.
Salt. I probably one of them ice chipper thing there.
Yeah.
To chip ice. Yeah, guys.
When you live in a house, you have more responsibility. Ice to chip.
Yeah, guys. You know the thing go. So, as I was telling you guys this morning, we have to shovel the driveway and the sidewalk. Otherwise, we might get ticketed by the city. So, we have to make sure so it's clear of snow as much as possible. So, right now, we don't have no shovel, we don't have no salt, we don't have no nothing. Right now, we driveway is a skating ring.
We'll sort it out. We're going to sort it out.
Yeah, man. It was a good feel. Oh, no, before I say that, how did it feel sleeping in a new place last night?
It feels nice. It feels like, you know, when you go hotel and you just get up in the morning, you just feel.
You spread the bed, by the way.
You make the bed, by the way, who else come out of the bed? Me can't do everything else. I have 2 kids. People don't know what I think, yeah.
Only see me outside I freeze not too long, no.
But you know somebody inside.
I take selfie.
2 kids.
Yeah, guys, anyways, forward, we got Home Depot, we're gonna look at shovel and some stuff, and then we're gonna go to dollar store. Go look some more stuff, and then we're gonna go where the place name? Giant Tiger. Go look some other thing. The big window there, we're gonna see, we're gonna look for a nice curtain for cover it up and things. So yeah, forward, guys. Road. Bad one. Good?
Right.
So, we're gonna start with this.
Shovel and this something we can access. That's, I don't know.
Kitchen, hardware. That was a common place I always buy more.
Yeah, they have Christmas tree and stuff. See the prices. I don't even know if you can afford it right now, but that will up. And a pancake here.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, true. Yeah, that's also.
$849.
Go ahead. Go along. Go along. Go along.
$89. $54. The bigger tray, bigger expensive, you know that.
And with the lights or something.
And stuff.
Want a tree, you know, but.
I like the Christmas tree, Malika. You want a big tree, small tree?
We just want a tree. VR. And this size is a good size.
Yeah, it's a good size.
That must be fishy. It's not for us.
Once you buy this, you have to buy the lights.
Yeah, you have to buy the lights.
So if you like this, that makes sense. Depending on the cost of the light, I let just eat it. Watch your back. Until let's check out the concept.
Oh, don't do so. Go on.
Shovel and salt.
So the salt we have just outside the actual building itself. We have a little bit inside, and then we also have some down at the far end by the lumber inside the store. And the shovel down there, right?
6-inch. $99, $100. Some people are going with that thing though.
You doing all right today?
Yeah,
Let me know if you need something.
okay. One people are going with that thing though, man. One people are going with that thing though.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, can't work with that big. Yeah, come. Me in a Christmas mood. Me not normally in a Christmas mood, you know. But me in a Christmas mood.
Yeah?
Me in a Christmas mood.
Then 3 are more expensive than one of them?
No. But them have flowers like you put at the outside and something, and a tree them here like tree. Like you put at the front of your house and stuff like that.
It's alright?
Yeah.
I think so too.
I feel it. The plastic thing, plastic. That got broken. That got dig out now. You want the iron one?
Iron one beer.
How much the iron one would that go? Buy good in.
What the fuck? What am I plastic? That is the shape. We don't found my shovel.
Of course.
No,
Cause
you can't use palm shovel. You have to use no shovel.
I know, but you could have saved money instead of dig up wood.
Yeah, you can't use palm shovel. Matter or if you use metal in a freezer.
Yeah, all the time it go in. Sure. I'm only me a think about. I'm only part me.
Like the other thing is.
I'm only part me a think about. Me know it don't make no sense. I'm only part. I need something.
Like a shape make the difference right there.
Shape?
Yeah. Like the broad, I on the broad you can get more. $53. The one a narrow more work, but
Cheaper.
$23 is the same thing.
You same thing?
Yeah.
Alright, $23.
And I last.
That at $22 broad.
What's that? This is the last one I left.
So everybody love that. This one. This orange screen some.
It's not a windscreen.
I don't know, I ask. I wonder.
Baba, the windscreen ice scraper.
Hold on there. I think that's over there.
I want to keep that light in. That lights.
You'd have to ask them. I think you see it up top there, so.
Oh yeah, we can check that. What about my ice cream?
I have to ask. I saw cheaper.
Yeah.
Malika, you like the lights? Yeah, you do? You do? Fireplace. Choo choo. Choo choo. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. These look nice, right, Malika? You like it? Yeah. Come.
The virgin mirror is so expensive.
I'm a virgin. Look nice though.
Yeah.
Panel go white one up there. 99. Really nice.
Bidding wars it is? Bidding wars it is?
Bidding wars as them go on the south. Trust me, them gone, man.
How about, I'll make a post on Facebook Marketplace. Soliciting one. That's what I can get.
Okay. As it goes on the south, man. Huh? Yeah, the pan set here. Yeah, there's a lot of things that in my past. I can't live in my past up there, man. But them are good dead. They're soon dead.
I thought that's supposed to respect more than children.
You don't know if that them are good this year. See lights them way out there. Yeah, so LED lights.
Like they're there with the brown tree, like.
How much it? 20, yeah, oh, too much.
Like I wanted the bunny tree, and that's
$14.
Some buy it still and decorate like.
What? $6. Clear in. $6. Going down. Oh, not $6. Yeah, $6. $6 some knows. So.
But I have to get that tree first. Man.
Yeah, I have to get that tree first.
Do I work with a shoveler? Yep.
Yeah, banana.
It looks
So outside is out there.
I don't know how far.
Nope.
Stop right next to it. Okay.
I must see one way. Emergency over. Okay.
Yeah guys, just finishing at Home Depot. Got Walmart just now. If you look fair. One of them gate things there for the stairs, but the thing is we're not find anywhere we like or where we want. So yeah, there goes that. So now we are got the dollar store to see what we can get at the dollar store. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you remember to subscribe and all of the nice things. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Yeah peeps, today I look too curtain. Yeah babes, so let's say I have in mind now. Not sure? So black would mess up easy. But black would be best one based on the design. Well, that's true.
Yeah, come on.
That's it?
We have black everywhere.
You got black?
Thinking about it. You know.
What color you say? Come this way, Molly.
You know white.
No, definitely not white.
I don't want color. I don't want red. Can I go with a blue?
Blue. What about like what design like this? Yes, sir. Axe. Malika Jade, come back this way.
Malika.
Go for your base. Current is for $15. That's not bad.
Yeah, so the section of the couch is green.
This is how much the coach? Now feel it? Where I feel?
Glass.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Two plus 5. 20. I thought big enough.
MJ, come this way. Malika.
See? What's it do? Light.
Yeah, that can sit you out. What, you want one of them Christmas matter?
No. That Christmas over never come home when Christmas Eve never go take it out.
Wait, we need something for the tree pan anyway.
You need in a mat because you have the cushion.
Oh, okay.
Thing will go around it and
When are you used to anything there? You know? Take time with me.
alright, so
You like that?
I like this but it's not because you have such a green night.
Mm-hmm.
Bounce off of the couch.
Come, give it to me.
Alright. So you come in and I see you set up here. You kinda hard. But I like this. Honestly I like
Malika, just stop.
Malika, stop.
Touch it.
Stop it.
Let mommy pick out curtains. Yeah, I mean, I like that, babes.
I like this. But that's how it comes on. I don't like the one that I want this. Hold. I like this. What do you think about this?
And I like, look, almost like you see him when I take up a while ago with something I like.
Alright, choose a curtain.
No, yeah, I know.
No, choose a curtain.
Oh, you turn to me, choose a curtain.
Choose a curtain,
Just because
baby.
I like you one curtain.
Choose a curtain.
Babes,
Choose a curtain.
you take up one curtain, I'm like, don't complicate the thing.
I'm not complicated. Come, Malika, stop. Leave them. Leave it. And
I
stay
work with
where
a
it's
curtain, yeah.
at. Just leave it and stay.
$15. Yeah, guys, the back home now and everything, mucha. Yeah, so we ended up on the road for a little length of time still, but you know, time catch up and we so never really get fair. I'm not show you guys all of the places that we went to and all those stuff. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it through to the end. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Smash a like if you haven't done so already, and definitely leave a comment, guys. Thank you guys so much again for being on this journey with us. The Andersons, our community is growing. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys. Share the content, share the channel, share the video so that other persons can see this platform as well. Vlogmas day number 5 in the bag. See you guys tomorrow for another day. Who knows? I'm going to work tomorrow. You'll definitely get a video though. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.